Hello everybody, quick video here. I want to show you this carpet my wife got me for the Hayabusa. Complements the bike really nice and the garage. It gives it that elegant look and feel. It's almost like I don't want to move the bike from the carpet. I just want to leave it here and look at it. So it looks like good quality, nice and soft here. The underneath it looks like waterproof lining. And it comes with two of these pads for the kickstand. So this is basically what you get. It has like this waterproof lining and then a sponge and then the top layer. So yeah, nice quick video here. I've been busy with some home projects, but I will be coming back.
Nun selig und süß, schau hin